Good evening, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hompton, South Birmingham. Forest Green Metallic Jeep Wrangler 4-litre Sahara automatic UK car, not an import. 85,000 miles, just had a service, had the gearbox fluid replaced. Really nice vehicle. Now in 2020 or 21 it was category N damaged, but no structural damage. Category N is one of the lighter category. It's lovely. You can't really see any repairs. Everything's really got a couple of little chips and marks and stone chips. Could have been stolen, recovered, but is a lovely, lovely, lovely thing. I'll try and take some pictures underneath. But it's lovely outside, it's lovely inside, it's lovely under the bonnet, and the chassis and underneath is not rotten. It is a really, really nice vehicle. So forest green, Sahara tan, hard top, comes with a Sahara tan soft top and frame as well. So it comes with a hard top and a soft top and 2 keys. It's got a remote battery isolator. It's going to be a vehicle that doesn't get used very often. You just press the button on the fob and it disconnects the battery. Good bit of security as well. I think it's got Wrangler tyres all round, and we've had lots of these Jeeps over the years, and this is genuinely the nicest one we have ever had. It's got the original 2-tone alloys in nice condition. Inside, forest green as well, and tan seats. It's got some speakers up in the roof, leather covered steering wheel, obviously being aftermarket covered in leather, but feels nice. SONY Bluetooth stereo, automatic gearbox. You can turn the passenger's airbag off down there. Got 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel high, neutral and low, all working. Got some mats in. These carpets are spotless, seats are lovely, rear seat is exactly the same. Very, very, very nice. Drives absolutely spot on. Yeah, it comes with, I'll take some pictures of the soft top. It's in like brand new condition. It's been on a few times, but it is mint. Yeah, full matching Jeep Wrangler tyres. Under the bonnet I noticed it's had a new alternator as well. It's just had an oil change. The engine's just been serviced. The gearbox was serviced last year with a oil replacement, oil and filter in the gearbox, or oil in the gearbox. Comes with 2 keys, 2 remotes. 85,500 miles. Driver's seat's not worn. Lovely, and it's beautiful under the bonnet, which I will. I'll take pictures under the bonnet. So there you go, 9995, and a really, really, really lovely Jeep 4-litre Sahara. Automatic, ready to drive, MOT from 9 or 10 months or 11 months with no advisories, not rotten underneath, not a Japanese import, just a lovely, lovely UK spec car that's been garaged and really well looked after. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that vehicle. Thank you very much for your time today.